This conference will now be recorded.
So any doubts with the yesterday's sessions? We'll just clarify once. So I'll share the screen with you now. So how many students has done till how much? You can ask the doubts today. Any doubts is there or some things, because our all topics has been almost done. How many student has done in these days practical? So SPRO, SAP reference IMG, uh, accounts, financial accounting new, accounts receivable, payable, business transactions, dunning. We have done this, dunning procedure, basic settings, all these things we have done. Okay. Okay, we have created two companies. Which company? One company we have completely done, and we have one more company like WRPN, where accounts payable and receivable ones. So I'll show you, which is already done, but I'll do with the one new company on that. So here, let's do what is the first step of this vendor account, master data, preparations for master data, define accounts group with the screen layout. Okay, so here we have to click on new entries. So we have already created TAVN, so we'll create different one. WRVN. So this is Wipro vendors. So name is Wipro vendor. So domestic vendor for Wipro, or else you can write domestic vendor for Wipro, or WRPN. WRP. So this is Wipro vendors, and just like your company code data, accounts management, required entries, click on save. So this is the different company. So we have to select Wipro company 01. Okay. So save with this, customizing request. So like that, then we need to save and we can back once. So domestic vendor for WRPN has been created. Next word is that we have to save and back. So here define screen layout per company code vendors. So we need to create number range for the vendor account. Click on this, click on change intervals. So we can see here we have done some intervals, but here click on change intervals. We are going to create intervals for this. So insert intervals. I'll give 0, 7, some numbers you can give. So because we are creating this, so here 4,000 is there, 5,000. Okay, 1 second. This is 2,000 also there. 3,000, 8,000. All it is done. So I'll take suppose this is 2,500 to 3,500. Correct. Click on insert intervals. So already available it is telling. So you can check it out any other intervals, and 707 is there, 08 is there, 09 is not there, so we can use 09. Okay, we can use 09. So here 09, this is from 25000 to 3500. So click on insert intervals, it's taking. So 09 has been created. So click on save. Like this n numbers you can give on this. Back. Next we'll go to the back and then assign number range to vendor account group. Click on this. Then we are clicking on positions. What is the accounts group? WRVN. Correct. So after this you just click on that and give the number range. What we have done, 09. So click on save. Then this is save. Okay, so this has been saved here. Back. Next is define. So this is what we did, define accounts group with the screen layout vendors. Then we create number ranges for vendor account, then assign number ranges to vendor accounts group. Okay, so that is the things. Next is we have to do with the screen layout. So here we have a we need to go to the accounts creations, vendor account. So what we need to do, /n fk01. Okay, so we are going to create vendors now. Till this, any doubts is there, students? So it's the revisions of accounts payable. Are you getting this? So if you are getting, then please put your response. Okay. So next step is vendor creations. Okay. In the vendor creations, so I have a Tata, this one. So we need to create vendors. So this is not our company. We will use WRP1. So Tata vendors is this is the accounts group we need to change. So what is the WRVN? Okay. So that is the vendor. Press enter. So here title will be company. Name will be, what is that? Suppose I have taken all these things. I'll take Ajay Traders. Ajay Traders. Or Ajay group of companies. Like this we can do. Group of company. Okay. After this, we have to go to the postal code 560011. City is Bangalore. Country is India. Reason is 10. So this is the things, press enter. So again press enter, again press enter. So 3 times you have to press enter and click on this reconciliation account as a sundry creditor. We should create before that sundry creditor in this. So WRP1 company, I have already created sundry creditor on that. So short key is 001. Cash management A1. Okay, so that is the things. So A1 and click on this save button. So account 250 is already existed. It's telling. Okay, I'll just check it out. Slash NMK 0 slash KFK 0. We'll see why it is not taking. So postal code 560011. The city is Bangalore. Select this Bangalore. Country is India. Reason is 10. And the next is English is there. So what we'll do? English. Then after press enter, enter, enter. So reconciliations account, syndicator account. Short key is 001. Posting date. It is all posting date. Cash management is A1. Click on this. Account 2501 is already existed. Okay, we'll check it out once. Financial accounting, accounts payable. Achha, one thing we'll check it out in this creations time. Reference IMG, financial accounting new, accounts receivable and payable, vendor account, master data, preparations for master data, define screen layout with the vendors. So let's create number range. So this is intervals, display intervals. So 09. Okay, let's take a 09. We will not be able to delete, I think. 1 second. So change intervals 09 25003500. It is already exist, I think. So delete this intervals. We'll create the new one for this. So 09. Here I'll give 20000 to 299999. So how many 0? That many 9s I have given. Click on this interval already existed. Cancel it. So this says you can select and delete the intervals only in the initial. Okay, so this is not possible. You've already assigned this to 5 current numbers. So it has been used, it's telling. So see the intervals. Current status 2509. Change intervals, or we can see here status. Choose a valid function and vendors. Okay, let's do on the change intervals. This is 0, 1000, 2000, 5000. Okay, let's create one more number range like WR. I will create, or as W1 I'll create. Change intervals. Intervals. Let's take W1. So here 3 lakhs to, or else I'll give 6 lakhs to 699. 6 lakhs to 699. Okay, after this click on this. So this is also, it's not taking, so we'll check. Already we have assigned with the company. So display intervals W1. Check it out. W1 is not created. 39, 41, 42, 50, then 51. Okay, so change intervals. Intervals 51. Number is 8,000 or 80,000 to 900. Click on this. So 51 has been done. Click on save. Data were changed. Now escape. Then assign number range to this one. So position accounts group is WRVN. WRVN. Click on this. Now I want to change the number range as a 51. Okay, and click on save. So it is getting saved. We change the number range here. Okay, because that the previous number range was not taking, so I have changed this. Next is /n FK01. So press enter. Company Ajay Traders, Ajay Group of Company. Then postal code is 560011. Then city is Bangalore. Okay, country is India. Reason is 10. After this, press enter, enter, enter. Reconciliation account. So this is syndicator accounts. Short key is 001. Then this is A1. Okay. After this, you try to save. So it's created. I think there is a number range problem, so I have changed that. So vendor accounts has been created. WRPN vendor account has been created. Let's create one more vendor account. Company. Then here I'll give raw status we have created. Uma Group of Company. Okay. Then postal code 560011. This is Bangalore. Country is India. Reason is 10. So press enter, enter, enter. Reconciliation account will be Sunday creditor account. Short key is 001. Cash management is A1. Okay. After this, click on save. So this 8001 also it's created. So these all are done. The two creditors we have created, and we are going to do now. What is that? Invoice entries. So accounts payable, we have to do document entry. Are you getting, students? If you are understanding, put your response here. Or any doubts is there, means you can put your response. If you are understanding, you are able to catch. Roshni is not able to join here. Roshni, even Jenna has pinned one message that you have to connect. So join this link. So everyone is getting. Students, if you are understanding, put your response. So we'll continue the next one. Okay. Now see here. We are already in that. So next is invoice entries, FB60. So that is the T code is FB60. Double click here and vendor account. So we need to see what is the company code is there. It's a TA10. I need to change this company code. So what I'll give WRP1. Click on this. Okay. So in this we have to do vendor account selections. So we have that Ajay group of companies and invoice date. We'll select 8 and posting date amount I am giving here, suppose 6,500. 6,500 let's take, and I'm not doing calculation for tax now, simple things I'm doing, and being goods purchased on credit. So GL account will be purchase account. Check you have created or not. If you have not created, then we need to create. So purchase accounts already has been created. So here amount is 6,500. Okay, press enter. So it is number range 19 is missing out. Okay, so one number range we have missing out, like document types number range we have not created, students. That is also we need to follow the procedure. So we have created the screen layout, we have created number range, but document number range, document types number range has to create. So what to do, where to go, that is SAP Easy Access screen, SPRO, SAP reference IMG. We need to go to the financial accounting, financial accounting, general ledger accounting. T codes will be there. You can check with the T codes also. Here. So financial accounting new, financial accounting global settings new. Then document types. Okay, document types entry view. Click on this. So what is that we have to do? Take positions. We have to take document type KA. KA for vendor documents. Double click on this 17 number range we need to create. So company code is WRP1. Okay, and we have to click on change intervals. So what is that here? 17 number range. So click on change intervals. Click on intervals. We have to create the number range for 17. So this is 2024. What is that? 2024 you give, 25 don't give, because we are continuing from this. So I'm giving this year only. And next to us from number range. So number range you can give anything. Suppose I am giving 2000. It's already there. Okay, 3000 is also there. 4000, 5000, so everything is there. No problem, you can give any number range. I'll give 2000 because it's a different one, different company, so you can give that. Then click on this. Once you click on this, so this is 1000 is your normal document number range, then 17 document number range for vendor accounts. Okay, save. So once it is saved, then back. Next we have to create vendor payment. So here you save once, then back. So next is vendor invoice. KR is vendor invoice. Okay. So vendor invoice is the 19 number range. So here WRP1, click on intervals, then change intervals, 19 number range. So 2024 from number. So I'll give suppose 3000 to 3999 and click on save. So this is 19 number range has been created. So click on save button, back once. So next one more is vendor payment. So what will be the for vendor payment? So here we have a vendor payment KZ. So 15 number range. So WRP1, change intervals. So this is intervals 15 number range 2024. This number range is fixed. You should not change on anything there. So 4000 to 4999. Okay, click on this. So this number range has been created. 15, 17 and 19. This number range after creations only, and we can back. Then come back. So if you see 15 number range has been created. If you click on this, so give WRP1 company and C intervals. It has been created. Click on this and save. Then back. So this document type number range has been created. After this document number range for the sentence views already we have done. So we need not to do one more time. Okay. Let's go to the what? Slash and FB60. Directly vendor invoice will go. And here it is the company code WRP1 is displaying. Vendor will be here. Ajay Group of Company. Invoice date will be 8 and amount will be 6500. So being goods purchased on credit. Okay. So GL account is we have to take purchase account. So amount is how much? 6500. Press enter. So business area is WRP1. So what I'll give WRP1. So after this come to the simulate. So it has been done. So Ajay Group of Company purchase account because a credit purchase. So click on post. That means document 3000 was posted in the code WRP. And why it is 3000 students? Because my vendor invoice is a started number range from 3000 to 399. Next documents what I'll post, it will be 3001. Okay. So let's do one more. Click on this and like SEMA Group of Company, invoice date will be like 8. Amount is I'll give 8000 or 8500. So next is here you can do being goods purchased on credit. Okay. Then GL accounts will be here. Purchase account. Amount is we have to give suppose 8500. Press enter. So here WRP1, click on simulate and this one. So once I'll show you one whole document also how it will be, we'll try this one. So let's do once payment transactions. So slash n. In which cases we are holding the documents when there is some verification is pending, in that case we can hold the documents, will not be able to post that. So /n f hyphen 53. I think this is the vendor post outgoing payments. So in this, what we'll do, document date is 8. Okay, company is this one. So clearance is vendor payment or payment to vendors. Accounts is this ICICI bank account you need to take. What is that? ICICI bank account. Amount is 8,500. Sorry, first is what? 6,500. That is for value date is 8. Okay, and so here we have to do accounts type. Accounts type is, we have to see which party, Ajay group of company. So after this, click on process open items. So missing is T0 table T043G. Where it is missing out? Let's check where is the mistake. So we can see whatever we have entered. So 3001 2024. So Seema group of company 8,500. Okay. Then 3,000. This is 2024. 6,500. Why it is missing out then? We'll check once. /n f-53 /n f-53. So open process items. 8 accounts is ICICI bank. Payment to vendors 6,500. Value date is 8. Then your accounts will be Ajay Traders. Why it is taking like that? We'll check it at the entry WRP1 is missing in the table T. There is some issues, I think. Okay, we'll do a whole document on this. Okay, why it is? Because document date we have given 2024. Why it is not taking? There is a reason behind this. I'll show that. Maybe SPRO. Sorry, SPRO. Where is the mistakes? We need to check. 2024 we are doing now, so that's what it is not taking. Students document types. So when a general ledger accounting, master data, not this, financial accounting, document types, entry view. So one second, I'll check it out. Document type KA, vendor document, 17 number range, WRP1, change intervals. So all 2024 cannot change, I think. So 17, 19 number range. But all we have done with the, okay, We'll do one transactions on the let data. We'll try this one. Okay. So let's do once more transactions entries on /n FB60. Once more I'll show you. So this is Ajay Group of Company, invoice date, backdated transactions we can do or not. So calendar is there. 2020 10/6. (24/11). So this is 15/7 it is. So it is July, it is telling 9, 8 September, October, or December. Okay, let's take December 9th. So 19th December, posting date (12). It is possible or not, we'll check once. So amount is 4,500. So being goods purchased, one second, it is cancelled. Period 10 just line with the posting date 12. Not required. So one down payment is there. So your account, special account, bank account, ICICI Bank. Then amount is 3,500. Value date, and this is 8. So click on enter, fill the required field, special GL indicator. So down payment request. So special letter is not final down payment. So here we have to pay payment to vendors like this. We have to create. This is not that's nice. Okay. We can skip directly payment also. We can do it. So exit from the screen. So here Ajay Group of Company, document date 8,000. So amount 4,500 press enter. Business area, yes, it is taking WR P1. Okay, then click on simulate. So this is taking, this is a credit memo. Click on save. So document 2000 was posted. Okay, in WRP1. So you can do vendor credit memo. It's a credit memo on this. Okay, so likewise one whole document we can do it. So let's take slash and FB16. Payment maybe I'll show you later on. So here I want to do in whole documents. So let's take this one, SEMA group of company, invoice date 8. Okay, after this we'll give different amount here. So next is we are doing this is 8001. Amount is 5,500. Then this is your being business purchased on credit. Your purchase account we need to select all the document we can do. So here purchase account and amount is 5,500. So we can hold the document. Press enter first and then give business area WRP1. Okay, and click on hold the document. So here document must be converted as a long text. Okay, it is asking the long text here. Text we have not assigned, I think. So click on simulate. Long text. It is asking. Okay, let's do with the normal fold only. 1 second. So financial accounting and general ledger accounting, postings. Here we have a held document. I think we'll check it out. Parked and edit parked and GL accounts. We can do it here. Old option, it is not there. 1 second. Held document. One transactions will try here. 8,000. Here. This is we can do some accounts. Let's take furniture account. Press enter. And amount is 6480. and text is being furniture purchased by cash. So this is 50 and this is by cash. So let's take cash account here. Okay, press enter and this is your star. Where is the star? So shift 8 and this is plus. After this, click on simulate. Okay, display act, all these things there. So park the document, fast NT act model, all these things. So park document has been parked. So what is held document here? So temporary document number user SAP user, it has to be done. So this is called held document. So you need not to do that one. So post and clearings also we can do it. Whatever is there, choose options. Document date, outgoing or incoming payments also we can do it. So transactions to be processed, outgoing payment, 8. So document number 3000. Okay. So here clearing text being cash paid, being cash payment. Okay. So here outgoing payments, posting key is 50. Okay, so posting key, first line item will be, what is that? What is the first line items for this? 31. 31 is for vendor invoice item. I'll check it out. Accounts, it will be Ajay Group of Company. Press enter. So do not fill the document number field. Okay, you should not fill this. Press enter. Amount, it is asking any amount post with the clearing, add vendor items. So this is 4500. Business area WRP1. Okay, so here Bing payment made. Okay, so like this we can do. Post key, it will ask you 50 and this is your cash account. What is that? Cash. If you are payment through cash, you can do it by cash. So amount is star. Where is the star? And this one is, what is that? Shift plus plus. Enter. Click on line items. So amount 0 line items will be ignored. Okay. So 4500 Ajay Group of Companies has been done. Click on post. Post with clearing display. It will be showing like this. Accounts. It will ask you which account you have to see. You have to see on this. What is that? Creditor's account. So your accounts type is S is for what? S is for, so K for vendors. I want to see vendor accounts. So here account 2 lakhs is for what? So here we can choose it. So accounts type Ajay Group of Company, can vendors. Okay, process open items. This is missing out. It's telling. I will check why it is telling. Maybe some of the procedures we have not done. Posting parking or something. This is a new company, so it is telling. So you need to, what is my meaning? Everything you have to follow. Maybe tolerance group or some things. Anything you have to check. Yes, tolerance group we have maybe have not done. Okay. Slash n. What is the tolerance group for this? Slash n. Okay, we'll go through the pathwise. SPRO, SAP reference IMG. So financial accounting global settings, tolerance, accounts receivable payable, vendor account, business transactions, tolerance group for employees OBA3, I think, sorry, /N OBA3. Okay, tolerance group we have to create. We have not created tolerance group for that. So WRP1, that is the reasons it's not displaying. No, we have not created students. So click on new entries, company code WRP1. Okay, WRP1. Other things you need not to fill. If you want, you can fill here 100. So amount permitted difference is 100. This is 10%. And here we can do 10%, but do not give the tolerance group any names. And so that is difference with this, and click on save. Once you click on save, then you will be able, tolerance group has not been created. That is the reasons it's not able to pay me. So /N F-53. Now we'll try this. So here 8. So here payment to vendors. Then account is, click on this. We have which account? ICICI Bank. Amount is 6,500. Value date is 8. Text is text not required. Here we can do vendor account. So we'll try it is taking or not. Next one. Click on process open items. So now it's done. Actually tolerance group problem was there, students. So it has been solved because we have created a tolerance group for the employees, and OBA4 that is, and OBA3 is the tolerance group for employees. Creations to 2 item has been selected. See, this is 4,500 and 6,500. 2 items has been done. So there is a difference. Posting is there. So if I go to post, so there is 2 difference. So total how much is there? So 8,500. So what we'll do? We have to go back once. So we'll be cancelling this, and 8,500 I need to pay. Okay, so total at a shot we need to pay that. So let's take ICICI Bank account. Okay, so amount is 8,500 because total balance is this much. Value date is we have to give 8, and here vendor accounts we have to give. Click on this, and Ajay Group of Companies. Click on open process items. 2 items are selected. So here 8,500 assigned. Okay, still 8,000 means 4,500 plus 6,500. So it is almost 11,000, I think. Sorry. So cancel it. So payment differences again it will say less. So 11,000 /N F-53. So you have to check actually total amount is how much. According to that you need to pay them. So account ICICI, because partial payment also there, but I am doing full payment at one shot. So this is 11,000. Let's take 11,000. So value date is 8. This is vendor posting, vendor account. We have to take Ajay Traders. Click on process open items. Now 2 items selected. Click on try to post. So difference is too large, 11,000 now. So assign this, and we need to, this is 2 numbers of items selected, number of items, display items. So I will select this, and I need to payment for that. Long text it is asking. You can give long text your notes. When there is a advance payment on this, we have to give the long text. So this is 2 items because separate entries we have done. So difference is showing 11,000 assigned 2,000. So total not assigned 9,000. There is a little mistakes we did because different times we have done that. Cash discounts 6,500. So we can do partial payment 4,500 on this and click on post. So the difference is too large for clearing. 11,000. System withholding tax standard. So change edit options. You can check with the edit options, customer or vendors. No, not this is required. Partial payment we can do. So 11,000 here. Post with clearing. We'll see. There is some things is there. Not able to do this account. Cash account. Sorry, we have to do bank. Sorry. So I need to select your ICICI Bank as it is a bank data. Amount is 4,500. Value date 8. So okay, account type GL it is displaying. It's a vendor's account. So the creditor. It's a vendors. Header data. One second. Slash n f-53. Payment to vendor. So your account ICICI Bank, and this is amount 4,500. This is account Ajay Group of Company. Value date is 8. Okay. So here we have to process open items. So two items selected. Uh, I think total 6,000. So I assigned 2,000. Amount entered 4,500 and assigned 2,000. 8,000. There is a little difference in that. So we can deactivate this account. Active cash discount not assigned. So number of items, let's take display form. So this we can do payment. KRKZ. Okay, so this is KG is there. So we have to pay KR, that is a vendor invoice. This is a I think credit memo, so that is different. So 6,500 we need to pay actually. So 6,500, we'll check it out once. Slash and F-53. So here document date 8,000. So here payment to vendor. Account is this one. KG is for credit memo. So that's what 6,500 first I'll pay. 6,500. Value date is 8. And this is your account is Ajay Traders. So we'll be taking Ajay Group of Company. Post opening items. Two items has been selected. So we can do simulate once. 6,500 posted. Okay. Simulate. So 50 ICICI Bank. Okay. So here other line items is there. Open process, choose open item, display currency. The little mistakes is there because we have done different transactions on that. But what is my suggestions? Once you will do one transactions, after this you make it the payment. Okay. So 50 is already displaying. So here 31, and this is your account is purchase account. So I'll be taking Ajay Group of Company. Click on this. So amount of it is asking 6,500. WRP1. Text is being payment made. And next line items 50. This is your ICICI Bank. Okay. Press enter. This is star and this is plus. Click on simulate. So fill the required value date you have to give. This is 8, and then you simulate. Line item DR indicated remaining amount. Remaining amount it is asking. So line item is incorrect. DR and CR indicators for remaining amount. So 6,500. Enter. There is some mistakes is there, students. So not at time 17 5,000 is coming. So we have to check it out once more. KG is for what is that? Okay. Ajay Group of Company 2 it is happened. So this we have to do 4,500. Just keep on adding. Okay. So there are two different documents. We'll take document types. So this I'm not going. I'm going to cancel it. Okay, will be solved by next tomorrow. There is some error is there. I'll be checking out. So anyhow, the process of payment is this because last few classes before we have done vendor posting. So what I did, I given a lot of transactions on this, so it will be even mixing up. Will be solved by tomorrow. Till this any doubts is there students, payment only not happening, so we'll be doing on this next class. Not so document number, so fiscal year 2024, press enter. So furniture to cash. On post document 1010 has been posted. So normal document has been posted, but vendor payment will do once again. Okay, so vendor postings will do once again. How to do this? Clear. So accounts payable. Document entry every 16. So that we have to do once. Credit memo already we did. So if I'll do SPRO, just let me check what is the KZ. Okay. So financial accounting global settings, ledger. So your document types, define document type for entry view, KG is for vendor credit memo it is. Okay. Vendor credit memo also 17 number range. KR is KR also vendor invoice that is 19 number range, and vendor payment is the 15 number range. Vendor invoice is the 19. Vendor payment, vendor invoice, vendor document also 17. So vendor document as well as vendor credit memo, you can make a note on this, both are 17 number range. Okay, so both are 17 number range. We'll be solving by tomorrow. Why it is not taking, we'll check it out and let me know. So till this any doubts is there students? Are you getting this? So you are getting this how it is working. So practice with that. Only credit memo and this vendor invoice, there is little bit differentiation is there. So we'll be clarifying tomorrow how to post the credit memo on that. Clear? Now just 10 minutes is there. If you have any doubts, let me know on that. Tomorrow we'll do this vendor payment as well as customers. No, tomorrow you don't have exam. You have exam on 10th. Any other queries, students? Tomorrow there is no exam. We have on 10th. So anything, any screen you want to tomorrow? Can we list down the topics? Yes, correct. So correctly you remind me. So what are the topics has to be done? So from beginning, what and all we have done, we have 2 more days. So tomorrow and Thursday, Friday there will not be class. Directly I'll give the exam link. You will be taking exam, students. It will be starting from 6 o'clock only. So tomorrow and day after tomorrow, you have 2 days. If any doubts, any clarifications, if you want related to the subjects, you can do it. Tomorrow is the last date, not Thursday will be the last date for class. So what I'm saying,
Ma'am,
those who
tomorrow
are
is
doing,
Thursday.
yes, tell me.
Ma'am, tomorrow is Thursday.
Tomorrow is Thursday. Yes, tomorrow I think this last class is. Sorry, today is Wednesday, na? So tomorrow will be the last class. I'll be revising first accounts receivable, and I'll give you the list what you have to do. So today only you can make a note, students. 10 minutes is there. So I actually forgot today Wednesday. Okay, no problem. Tomorrow is the last class for this. So first is, let's check out with the software itself. Starting, you have to open the software as the enterprise structure. Enterprise structure in this, starting we have to do, yes, here we have to do 3 points. So what is that? Definition, then financial accounting, define company. Can you make a notes list now? All you have a pen and paper means you can just make a list. So define company. Even tomorrow totally I'll tell you what are the list is there. Okay, I have not made list. So I'll catch up with some classes. So I have not made. So tomorrow I'll give you the full list. Few of this you can write today itself. So first is define company. Then we have to assign. So here we have options called assign financial accounting, assign company code to company. I'll make a list. Few of the list I have. I'll make a list on this. So accounts receivable payable I have not added in that list. I will add on that. So define company. Then we have assign company. The define company, edit, copy, delete, check company code means we are creating a company code. Then assign company code to company. After this, we have to create credit control areas. Then assign credit control company to credit control areas. Then we have to define business area. So business area you need not to assign. So this enterprise structure is this much. After finishing the enterprise structures, we have to go to the financial accounting. Okay. So what we have to do? Let's enterprise structure will be closed. And after this, we have to go to the financial accounting. In the financial accounting, tomorrow morning I'll make one list on this. If possible, before the class only I'll send you. Maybe before 6 o'clock or something I'll send you. Then we'll continue in the class. Okay. By afternoon, maybe I'll send in the group. No problem. 3 o'clock, 5 o'clock, I'll send the list, total list. So you can be prepared on this. So financial accounting global settings. In this, we have to do fiscal year. In the fiscal year, maintain fiscal year variant. Then assign company code to fiscal year variant. Okay. After fiscal year variant, we have the next one is a posting period. You have to click on the document, posting periods. Posting period, define variant for open and posting periods. These three set you need to do. Open, close, posting period. Then assign variant to company code. Then we have to do define number. It is in one sequence, students. Define document number ranges. These two not required. So this has also over. After finishing this, you close this all. Next is we have a field status variant creation. So what is that? After document number range creations, we have to go to the general. So I think here we have financial accounting, global settings, fiscal year. Fiscal year we have done. Then field status variant. Field status variant where it will be. So financial accounting new. Let's close me all these things. Okay. Financial accounting new. Financial accounting global settings new. Ledger field status variant. Okay. So define field status variant. Then assign company code to field status variant. Then we have a what is that? Document. We have create document types. Document types we have to create define document types for entry view like SA for GL account, AB for document, accounting document. So this is very important. In the future it is required. So SA for GL account. What is the AB? You can check it, students. AB for document, accounting document. When we are using cash journals, this document types have to use. Remember that I taught you before one class cash journals. So KA is for vendor document, KR is for vendor invoice, KZ for vendor payment. Likewise, we have a DA for customer document, then DR for customer invoice, DZ is for customer payment. KG is for credit memo for vendors. Likewise, AB is for accounting document that is used for cash journals. Clear? Next is SA is for GL account. Clear? So these are the document types. And then we can do define posting keys. Posting keys we are not doing, but that is already there inbuilt in the software. So you have to remember 40 is for debit entry, 50 is for credit entry, 01 is for customer invoice, 31 is for vendor invoice. 31 if you check, students, sorry, you'll get to know it is for vendor invoice. You can see vendor. Okay. So this you can make a note on this. After this, we have to create tolerance group. So tolerance group for employees. So in this, you have to click on new entries. And I told you, you need not to give group name. Just you give the company code and amount for documents. Like we have to give 11 nines and 10 nines. Means there is some unlimited numbers you have to give. Cash discount for 10% you can give. Revenue and expenses permitted payment difference should be between 100. Okay, amount should be of 100. So likewise we can create. So this part is done. Next we have to go to the chart of accounts. What is that? Chart of accounts. Okay, so how to create chart of accounts? So you have to go to financial accounting, general ledger accounting, master data, then GL account, then preparations, then edit chart of account list. Once you click on this, you need to create a chart of accounts with the company code same. Then we have to create define accounts group. After finishing this, define return earnings account. This all list whatever I'm telling you, tomorrow I'll make a list one by one. It is only the steps what after what you have to do, and with the it's possible if I'll use then T codes also I'll be giving you. Okay, so that is I think some T codes I have given in the group long back I have sent. That is still up to document number range. After this I'll be adding and giving you accounts receivable payable separately notes I have sent. I'll add on this Excel sheet and I'll give you. Okay, so that's all, students. We'll be continuing. Tomorrow is the last class, as one student told, yes. And Friday will be the exam date. Okay, so practice with that. We'll take class on tomorrow. Any other queries, students? Any other
Excuse
things
me,
you
ma'am.
want? Let me know.
Ma'am,
Yes, tell me. Who is speaking now?
ma'am, Harshini.
Yes, tell Harshini.
Ma'am, can you give an example of a question like with options, like how it may come for exam? Like any one
It
question
will, like,
example,
if
ma'am.
I'll give you some examples, like what is the T code for defined company? Direct questions it will come. It is not any tricky questions, full direct questions. Which currency we are using in the SAP? That is, it will come. It's a local currency, foreign currency, dollars, what currency we are using. Indian currency only, then you know what will be the name of that. Okay. Then it will come like what
Okay.
basically T codes will come, students. T code you practice with this already. I have sent the file. Those who have not got, please share with in the group. They have already, I think Maria has attended all the classes. So Maria, I am telling you, just forward this T codes which I have sent. And accounts receivable, accounts payable, it will come. And I don't think so cash journals and GST will come, but for that is also important things, maybe it will come, I don't know that. So practice with the T code, just like FK01. What is for? This is for like vendor account
Ma'am,
creations.
Ma'am,
And
like
some of
tomorrow,
the
can we discuss
like
what
notifications
might be the
question.
possible questions, ma'am?
It is like what will be the indicator, DRCR, posting keys like this. Whatever 4 posting keys I told, that and all you can practice with that. Questions will be easy, not that much tough. If you learn all through the notes, you will get questions on that. Okay, and learning won't come, students, and cash journals also hardly. So basically from the beginning it will be more important, still chart of accounts and accounts payable receivable. So that is most important what I am saying. Practice with this. I have sent the notes. Those who have not got, those who have got, and please forward it in the group so other students also will be getting to know that. Correct. So that's all for this day, students. We'll wind up the session. Tomorrow is the last class. Any queries, anywhere in doubts, let me know tomorrow. I'll be solved. Okay. So tomorrow sharp 6 o'clock. Connect with the same link. Okay. Marks I'll be telling you tomorrow. I think it is out of 100 only. So I'll be telling you tomorrow what is this things. Okay. So bye bye. Good night.
Thank you, ma'am.